Come in. Hello, hello, everybody. Come on through. I got Chipotle today. Yeah, Chipotle. I didn't cook last night. I may cook something tonight, though. Chipotle. Once again. I didn't want no chicken. I didn't want no fried chicken. I wanted some more Chipotle. So I got my chips. I didn't get the red salsa this time. I got two of the brown sauces, y'all. Hello. Share this video. What's going on? How everybody doing? The girl at Chick-fil-A, not Chick-fil-A, Chipotle, is kind of acting a little stingy. I said, can you give me some more bell peppers and onions, please? I'll be the greedy one going through the line. You know, don't give me one scoop. Come on. I said, go ahead. I said, don't be afraid to fix my food. I'm going to pray. Hey. Time to eat. So it looks good. It's the chicken bowl with the rice on the bottom, the corn, the lettuce. I love this thing. I love it so much. I think I'm going to have to start making it. I'm going to have to start making it at home. When are the kids going back to school? I don't know. I think like maybe around the 15th or something. I think. Oh, it's good. Anyway, we have patience this afternoon. And we've been doing paperwork this morning. So now it's time to eat. I love Chipotle. The corn be the best. I know, right? I got corn on here. Put on my music. Wow, 30 people. Hello, everybody. How y'all doing? So good. I like this one. The brown salsa is really good, y'all. I'm making y'all hungry. I didn't want no fried chicken today. I could have went closer, but I was like, let me just go to Chick-fil-A. Chipotle. Why I keep saying Chick-fil-A? Hey, Jason. How you doing? Patricia, Linda, Sabrina, Lenita, Lydia. I see everybody. Welcome to my lunch mukbang. I'm eating Chipotle today. Hi, Allison. Whew. All right, let's get down to the bottom. I made some fresh mild sauce, y'all. So if y'all need some Yo-Yo's Kitchen mild hot sauce, it's ready. I made it fresh yesterday. I made it nice and fresh, so if y'all need it, all you have to do is just check out. Oh, Got a picture of my mom and Faith. They shopping. They shopping. Hey, Mariah. Lunchtime. How you doing? You got your baby home now, huh? I see. You having fun with your baby, huh? It's Chipotle today, y'all. I didn't realize I like black beans like this. I'm gonna probably cook black beans one time, and then it make your plate look pretty. I wanted something like a salad. And I was like, okay, this is just perfect. Yes. Yes, I'm so happy. Aww. I know you are. You're so cute. Me and Root, she was showing me the pictures. I'm glad I'm not pregnant anymore. Don't be passing that over here, Mariah. Keep it over there. She just coming back. Root. I see your friend Root. Mariah watching. She got her some Chick-fil-A. Hey, Rose Kylie. Take a picture, y'all. I don't know if y'all caught me.
Where'd you go, Chipotle?
That was a perfect time. They have hardly nobody in there. So I guess it was good we went early today, huh?
Yeah.
We kind of beat the crowd. Jason Anthony. Jason say, what's up, yo-yo? I see you mukbanging. I know, right? You like to see my cousin cook yesterday, Jason? You seen her? In her shorts. I was trying to go back and watch the last part of it. It was good. That was a good video. Isn't it crazy how everybody cooks so different, right? I love Chipotle too. There's a lot of people love Chipotle, you know. Well, they give you a lot for the money, I think. Y'all remember that song? If y'all missed my cooking videos yesterday, I did 2 videos. Saturday. Nice and cold. Ooh, I'm gonna have to start telling them to give me double corn. Thank you for being on the front line doing the paramedic nurses and Dr. Rock. Oh, you're welcome. We have to be here. We don't have a choice. Yeah, she cooks good. Jason Anthony. You seen her too, Allison? Now, she's straight up from Louisiana, but she moved, you know how they be moving around. But she is from Louisiana. I was born here. Oh, this is good. Sorry if I'm smacking. That looks good too. So good. Mm, 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 mm. So if y'all need to ask me something, y'all can ask me. Whatever y'all want to ask me. Man, bad luck yesterday. I was trying to work on some orders, which don't stop me from working on my orders. But processing it, I'm going to have to go get another cord for my computer because the wire completely broke. Mm. Mm-hmm. My hands was looking all dry. Oh, dry hands. It was good. So I'm watching y'all. So if you have any questions about cooking, my business, whatever you want to ask me, you can free to ask me. Who seen me prepare my mom's birthday dinner? And how did y'all like it? Oh, I'm starving. I'm hungry. I am. Yeah. Maybe because I didn't really eat last night. Yes, I did. I had a piece of pizza. One of the little tortilla pieces, whatever you call them. Let me know if I'm smacking too loud. I hear myself, but not really. I have one. I think the Lane Lane soap is almost ready. I did cold process on that one. I need to start putting it in the store so y'all can see. Y'all can buy it. I got two. Ooh. Hey, Cicely. How you doing? I ain't seen you in a long time. How my cousin Shemaine doing and Renuka? Tell them I said hi. I missed them. I haven't been out there nowhere. I don't even know how long it's been, Cicely. It's been, oh wow, probably over 15 years since I've been in Louisiana. That's crazy, huh? The last time I was gonna go, I got sick. That was when I was married. That was a long time ago. I know. This time I did get two. I know which one I like the best now. Okay, y'all. So we have some good competition in the hot sauce review videos. Jason, you gonna stop messing with me. Tiger Eye with the Thank you, Angela. She said your mother necklace was gorgeous on her. Thank you. She liked it. She with Fate right now. They shopping. Her favorite thing to do. Mm-hmm. Jason said I was in a bedroom and had left my phone in the kitchen and I heard you smacking. Jason, I'm that loud. You wrong for that. Really? You know, you too funny. That's my son. Yeah. I like this song. Gone. Knocked out one. Now time to knock out the other one. Mm-mm. 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 I see them little print. That's how I know. If they not from here. Peace. Off of my mukbang. They keep getting on here, y'all. They must be searching for me. When I see all that little cursive handwriting, they from Egypt, they from somewhere. Get up off my life. Because then they going to start saying some crazy stuff. So I got half a day left. Who are the weird names up there? You seen the 2 Rose Collie? I spotted quick. They gone. Gone. So good. Don't y'all like that song? I know, like, where he come from. You know what they do, Rose Collie? They disguise themselves to be like a regular person, like from maybe a regular state. And when I do my cooking shows, they'll start following me, and then, bam, they turn into another person. Not over here. Like, you ain't got nothing better to do? Can y'all still see me? Because I think they blocked it for whatever reason. If y'all can still see me. Life is life. Right? That's another name I don't know. I'll go back and check. Believe me, I will. I blocked somebody else. I'm telling you, y'all, they be on here left and right. Let me learn on my music because Facebook already wanted to block me. I was like, oh, nah, boo-boo. Mm-hmm. I had to turn the music down, y'all, because Facebook be tripping. Uh-huh. Huh? What? I know, right? What's that? What? Oh, it's good. Hmm? Ouch. She come and sit her ass right. She come and sit right in the front, y'all. So I can't finish eating my goddamn Chipotle. I'll eat it later. Let me stop before I get called out. I'll see y'all later. Have a good day. Thank you for watching Yo-Yo's Kitchen Lunch Mukbang. Bye, y'all.